Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at a program that will calculate the compound interest. If you look at the compound interest formula, that's, let's say A is equal to, A is the amount, that's equal to principal amount times 1 plus whatever the interest rate is times, like P times 1 plus R power n. That's the formula to calculate the compound interest. N is number of years. Now here I'm going to design a program that's going to calculate number of subscribers I'm going to have at the end of this year. Like, let's say my subscriber count increased by 1% each month. So I'm going to do that for 12 months and see at the end of the year how many subscribers I'm going to have. Okay. Now let's go ahead and start with double amount, and then I start the double principal. Principal is how many I am starting with right now. Now I have like 4090 subscribers, and then I say double rate is equal to, let's say the subscriber count increased by 1% each month, so I put 0.01 right here, and then I'm going to create a for loop. Inside of this for loop we are going to initialize integer month is equal to 1. Okay, integer month is equal to 1, and then month we are going to put a limit for month, let's say 12 month, so less than or equal to 12, and then month plus. Okay, now we are done with the month. Now let's go ahead and create our equation. Amount is equal to principal times math dot power, and you can see in the power we have, in the parentheses we have two things. One thing is whatever inside the parentheses, and the next thing is whatever the things we are powering with. So the thing inside the parentheses is 1 plus rate, and then we are powering that one with month, so we put month right here. Okay, now let's close this one, and now finally we are going to just print out whatever we are going to see, whatever the amount we calculated. So to do that, system.out.println, and then month plus, okay, now plus amount. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, as long as I don't see any errors, let's run this. Okay, now you can see after 1 month I'm gonna have 4130.9, that's 1% increase, and then after 12 months I'm gonna have like 4608 subscribers. That's how we use this is our formula, and this is the way to use a program to find out the compound interest in anything. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next tutorial.